When we talk about feelings that stay over a long period of time becomes our moods. And in the NLP terms, mood that is sustained is what is known as a state. Now, if you look at it, how do we really sustain a mood for a long period of time? There are a couple of factors that are important in that. And one is your physiology, which is your body language. But what's interesting is the way your body is and how you feel are interrelated. So it's like a cybernetic loop. The way you feel is the way your body is, the way your body is how you feel. So in that sense, we may take body and mind as two different systems, but they indeed are interrelated and interdependent to the extent that they are just part of one loop that keeps repeating itself. Therefore, if you look at psychosomatics, which basically is that how what you feel has an impact on the body, becomes extremely important. Earlier, the only premise that it was based on is that emotions travel inside out, which is that how you feel inside has an impact on the outside, on your body, on the people around you. But the latest research also shows that how you feel outside or what you portray outside also has an impact on the inside. Because in short, state is a combination of breathing, physiology, and the release of neurochemicals. So, for example, you feel happy and you express that happiness through your voice, through your body, and through a smile, of course. Similarly, if you're not happy, but if you happen to smile, that will in turn tell a signal to your body to become happy and for those neurochemicals to be released. In that sense, emotions are contagious. The kind of state that you're carrying, the emotions that you portray are the exact emotions that will rub on the other person as well. So if you're happy, people around you will be happy as well. Look at how a child is. The state is just infectious. If the child laughs out loud, you immediately just release all the stress that you're holding and start smiling as the child is indeed laughing out loud. So in psychosomatics, the word psycho is coming from psychology, which is that of the mind, and soma is the cells, which is coming from the body. So it is one system affecting the other. And as we just spoke about it, that it actually is just one loop that keeps repeating itself. So if you want to break that loop, know that your mind has an impact on the body. So if you want to change your mind and you're not able to do much about the state / the mood that you're in, just change your body. Which means if you're still sitting, just stand up. If your face is like this, you're looking down, just look up. So just very simple change in physiology will bring about a change in state. The second scenario is that if you are not wanting to change the body, which means the way you're sitting, the way you're breathing, your gestures and postures, just change your mind, just change your state there. Imagine something good, and you will see your state would alter. Think about food. Food is a great anchor in people's life. It will just change your state instantly. So anything that makes you feel good. Remember that the mind does not know the difference between fantasy and reality. So if you can imagine something well, the mind would think that it has actually happened, which will in turn release neurochemicals that are good for the body. Similarly, in times of stress, in times of sadness, frustration, anger, when those are reflected in the body, they have an effect. The body becomes stiff. There is a certain reaction in the terms of a shortness of breath that comes in. The face is in a certain manner. The muscles are all tensed up. And if you just relax those muscles, come back to a normal breath, you would see how your state of mind is changing. So in future, before depression, sadness, frustration, fear, or anything that does not serve you, grip you, just change your body to change the state of mind. That's it. Thank you.